Alright, so in this exercise what we want to do is look at how we actually go through and select a whole row very quickly just using the shortcut keys. So in this case here, let's say we want to click on the quantity of 140 for the product shirts. If we wanted to select that row very quickly, all we need to do is go, hold the shift key down and press the space bar, and that selects the whole of row 6. Now, the argument at this point would be, oh, well, it's very easy. You could just simply go into your row numbers and select it from there. And look, that is true. However, if you were working in a spreadsheet that had 5 million cells and you're out in the middle of that actual sheet, but you wanted to select the whole row to delete it, having to go back to that row side or being even able to identify it would be quite difficult. So this shortcut is very important. So this one will also be used with other shortcuts like inserting a row, deleting a row, to actually make life easy to remove and add rows within very large data sets. So again, if we want to select a row, we just click on a cell of the row that we want to select, hold the shift key down, press the space bar, and it then selects the whole row.